Hello, welcome to Raving Box channel. Before we proceed, please hit the subscribe button to receive our new updates. Have you ever experienced a body pain before in your life? This is one of the worst thing that human or even animal could ever wish for. If you have ever had a body pain, do not panic, because today shall be the end of what you are going through. Many a times we do have complications in our body system thinking it's ordinary. Some will result to taking paracetamol, Panadol or any pain relief drug they felt that's the answer to their trouble. They're pains we normally experience in our body system which we are going to discuss the remedy. These pains includes low back pain, stroke, knee pain, spinal pain. What's body pain? Body pain is intensity from a dull, constant ache to a sudden, sharp or shooting pain. It can start suddenly as a result of an accident or by lifting heavy object, or it can develop over time when aging. Getting too little exercise followed by a strenuous workout also can cause body pain. But with this few gadgets, body pain should not be a hard nut to crack. Correct back. Back pain is one of the pains we normally suffer from. And it's worrisome. Body pain can cause a sleepless night and a very big pain that can admit someone in the hospital. It affects people in all walks of life, especially during aging. It is a common pain that occurs to office workers, especially typists that sits to work for hours without rest. People who do heavy lifting are just as prone to backaches as people who do a lot of work sitting down. The recurring pain can be incredibly discomforting and cause a lot of productivity loss. There are quite a lot of factors that can trigger backaches and even worsen existing ones. It's never a good advice constantly taking pain medication. A significant and permanent solution is never an easy thing to achieve at a lower expense. Correct Back is a game changer for anyone with low back pain or backaches. It's an instant pain relief device and can help correct your posture. Correct Back is a light-weighted, portable, ergonomic and functional device that corrects your posture by slipping the brace around your back and wrapping the straps around your knees, making your posture to be seated perfectly. Its design makes it easy to put on and take off without hassle, and works by training your back muscles. All it takes is wearing the Correct Back device 15 minutes a day, every day. The major cause of back pain is at most times bad posture. While walking, sitting, and reading, you might tend to slouch, which can cause your back to hurt. Correct Back simply fixes your posture, which helps you relieve that pain. Muscle Relax Pro. Muscle Relax, additionally known as skeletal muscle relax, are a various group of medicines that may loosen up or cut back pressure in a muscle. Some work within the brain or the spinal cord to block overexcited neuronal nerve pathways. Others act instantly on the muscle. Cannabis extract is believed to have a double impact. Muscle Relax treats two important situations: spasticity, stiff, inflexible muscular tissues brought on by situations corresponding to cerebral palsy, a number of sclerosis, and stroke, or muscle spasms that are sometimes non-permanent and related to situations corresponding to tension, headache, low back pain, or fibromyalgia. Just 3 Muscle Relax Pro is FDA accepted to deal with spasticity. Nonetheless, 6 are accepted to deal with muscle spasm. Botulinum toxin is barely accepted to deal with spasticity in certain muscle groups, the upper and lower limb. Many different medicine are additionally used to deal with spasticity or muscle spasm, though most will not be accepted for this indication. Proof supporting the effectiveness of skeletal muscle relaxants for muscle spasm is sparse. Most trials are outdated and never of excellent quality. Because of this, skeletal muscle relaxants ought to just be used to deal with muscle spasm if different therapies fail. Knee Wrap Pro. To be sincere, knee pain is a prevalent issue after a certain age of growth and development in human beings. The worst fact is, it's a very difficult one managing a knee injury. Hey, if you are looking for what will help you guard that knee or heal that knee, Knee Wrap Pro is the perfect item to heal your pain and save you from future knee pains and injuries. Knee Wrap Pro is fundamentally a knee wrap or brace designed to be worn around your knee. Knee Wrap Pro is created to provide compression, lubrication, warmth, injury prevention, and a massaging action that improves blood flow to the soft tissue areas around the knee joint. Knee Wrap Pro helps to heal your pain and also prevents any kind of knee injury and helpful to those people who may experience stiff, tired or achy knees. Knee Wrap Pro is also for people who stand almost all the time, moves around all the time from place to place, spending not less than 8 hours of walking and standing per day to relieve stress, weight and pressure on the knees. Without complicating in my words, you can say that Knee Wrap Pro knee sleeve is perfect for those people who would want to get their healthy life back by having a free life without pain while protecting and supporting their knees, without spending on doctor's visits, risky surgeries or expensive pain medications. Blood Pressure X. Blood Pressure X is the most comfortable home blood pressure monitor. Blood Pressure X can be the gadget to save you from stroke today. Everything about this monitor is automatic. It doesn't require an expert before usage. It is very necessary to check your blood pressure every time to avoid high blood pressure, which might lead to partial or complete stroke. It gives you more than just accurate reads. If you are suffering from high blood pressure or have been given some life-changing news, this is a great product that can change your sorrowful story to a joyful one. It can put your mind at rest. When they are easy to use, an automatic blood pressure reading device can make a massive difference to how you live your daily life. This is only possible when you find a quality product, and there aren't any that come with the reputation of Blood Pressure X. Let's take a close look at why people are singing its praises and find out why it is the real deal. You know why? Because when you visit the doctor, you only see your blood pressure reading at the moment. What then happens when you leave the hospital? Would you be going daily to the hospital to check your blood pressure? But this little gadget can give you peace at home and an accurate reading whenever it's been used. A home monitor lets you check it often. This can give your doctor a better idea of your true blood pressure. The best way to know for sure if you have high blood pressure is to measure it several times a day for a few months. Smart Fitness. Smart Fitness, this is a training gadget that can give you a muscular and extra-toned body when wear during exercise. It is a rock-solid six-pack abs EMS trainer that works patently via its tried and tested technology. This gadget is a very high-technology gadget that can help a stroke patient, back pain, body pain patient to adjust during workout. Looking for six-packs? Smart Fitness is for you. You need not waste time looking for a way to keep your body muscular. Smart Fitness will wow your body. Smart Fitness reduces cost as you need no fitness instructor anymore to charge you huge amount of money for abs. Smart Fitness has proven itself in treatment of various pains in the body and stroke when being used. This gadget is the most wanted as you don't have to spend lots of money on hospitals trying to treat a stroke patient or body pain. Smart Fitness can handle the patient at your comfort zone. Physiotherapists nowadays can be very costly, but with this listed gadget you can save yourself from the numerous expenses paid during treatment session. As a matter of fact, it features an advanced EMS technology which is electric muscle stimulation. It is a technology that utilizes electrical signals in order to stimulate and exercise the muscles directly. For many years, EMS is applied in fields like competitive sports and physiotherapy, wherein the intensity of training occurs from gentle electrical stimulation and not from heavy loads just like carrying dumbbells or weights. Therefore, EMS training causes no additional strain on ligaments or joints. This instant abs trainer is specially developed with pro athletes so you can guarantee a reliable result. Smart Fitness Instant Abs Trainer also has an adjustable intensity where you can choose different intensity levels from 1 to 15 adjusting to your body training needs. It utilizes a frequency of 25 Hz plus or minus 10% plus. It also features 3 auto programs including acupuncture, muscle, and massage. This device works on the electromagnetic impulses that help to generate the sensation in the muscles. This way, it makes the muscles possible to become firmer and stronger. Smart Fitness is also useful to define the body by muscular contractions. It uses the electric muscular stimulation technology or EMS to operate the functions in the body. It also depends on the optimal stimulation rate. On the overall, it has a simple and effective operation with 6 specific training modes, which you can change or adjust accordingly with your convenience and preferences. Smart Fitness is dedicated to working in the body, giving you a feel and experience that you want to have for your physical fitness without going to the gym for many hours. You can meet your muscle building goals in a short interval of time. This is one of the most testified gadget for treatment of back pain, neck pain, and stroke. I'm a living testimony, been using this for some time now, and I must confess the excellent result is a top-notch, especially when I had a low back pain and pains on my scapulars. You can use this gadget anywhere now. Notice an A and B input on the lower part of the unit, which implies the usage of 4 different cushions in a linear way. In each information contains 2 cushions that are truly great, showing you can do both shoulders and 2 of your legs at a given point in time, which means you can give your full body a massage at the comfort of your own home. But that's not all, as it contains a primary unit. I want to make something clear here. Please do not cast away the container away in an awful manner, as it can still be needed as time goes on as a reference purpose. So as to maintain the coordination of everything overall, that has been accompanied in an honest felt holder with a user manual that you need to study well before using the gadget. Ensure to check the connector cords, and each of this contains 2 different pads. That's all yours. That's not all, there's a charging cable associated to it and the sets of pads that definitely comes with pad guards, so you input the tools back into it after usage. This is a coil you can use to input your pads on each side of it after usage, and then coil the main connector around it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you will always get our latest updates.